Telegram email problem. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I will guide you on how you can solve the email problem on Telegram, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now, sometimes what basically happens is that if you open up Telegram and then you might be trying to log into your account, then normally it is going to ask you to actually enter the verification code that was sent to the number. But after that, if you had set up a two-factor authentication, it would ask you to enter a password, which in this case means that it is going, if you don't remember your password, you had to reset it using your email address. But this step is only happening whenever you have 2FA turned on. If you hadn't turned on 2FA before, this step wouldn't show up on your feed. Now, normally to fix this, you have to make sure that you have access to the email address that you provided whenever you were trying to turn on 2FA. In my case, and then here you'll find the Telegram verification code at the very top of the screen. When you actually enter the verification code that was sent to your email or with link, then in that way you should be able to regain access back into your account. If you're not getting the code for some reason, what I want you to do is do not try from the same page again and again. Long press the Telegram app icon, tap the I button that you can find, then go to storage, clear cache, go to manage storage, and make sure to clear all of the data that are inside of it as well. Once done, just try to check you have a stable internet connection and retry it again, and this time you should be able to log in. As I said, Telegram is a number-to-number basis application. Normally it doesn't ask for an email address unless you have set up a two-factor authentication. So hope this video helped you. If you have got any questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.